Do you want to know what $229,000 buys you in Port Richmond, Philadelphia? Well, I'm standing inside my new listing at 3043 Aramingo Ave. It's a 3-bed, 1.5 bath, about 1,200 square feet, and I'm going to show you exactly what you can get for your money. This is Naveed Aberg with Navigator Realty Group. Let's get after it. Port Richmond is an amazingly convenient neighborhood that gives you easy access to 95 to get you anywhere you want, inside or outside the city. It's just above the 19125 zip code, which gives you easy access to the Fishtown commercial corridor, but is also far enough away that the price points are way more affordable. If you head up in the opposite direction, I'm telling you, it is strip mall galore. Within just a few minutes, you can find any product or service that you could possibly be looking for. I'm talking anything from pet supplies, to groceries, to physical therapy, to the gym. Anything that you could possibly want, you're gonna be able to find it in one of these areas. The amount of options that exist for when you're hungry is actually insane. Quite literally every fast food chain has a location in the Port Richmond area. Up here is also where you're gonna find the most convenient location for Lowe's and Home Depot to pretty much anywhere in the city that's above Market Street, the other location being down on Christopher Columbus Boulevard. Let's bring it back to the home on hand. We're looking at 3043 Aramingo Avenue, which is a 3-bed, 1.5 bath home in 1,200 square feet of space. This place has been recently renovated, so you get your modern amenities like central AC, recessed lights, nice kitchen, but you're also looking at things like this amazing hardwood floor with these original inlays around the borders. There's absolutely no shortage of space on this first floor with a pretty nice open floor plan from front to back. You also get this added convenience of the powder room on the first floor, which a lot of older homes just do not have. The kitchen boasts stainless steel appliances and no shortage of cabinets, so you don't have to decide whether to get rid of your air fryer or Instant Pot. You get to keep both. On the upstairs level, you're gonna find 3 bedrooms and your full bathroom, with the same amazing original hardwood flooring found throughout. Each one of these bedrooms is gonna have a decent amount of closet space, not quite walk-in status, but way bigger than what was there originally. The full bathroom is gonna give you a stand-up shower tub combo and more than enough floor space to move around. I promised you that each one of these bedrooms was gonna be sizable, but they also have some really good natural light because of these nice big windows, especially when you get up to the primary bedroom, where you've got the 3 gorgeous bay windows. This front bedroom leaves nothing to be desired in terms of space. I don't want to forget to show you the bonus area in the back of the kitchen, which gives you a little bit of flex space. Down in the basement, you're going to find a large, clean basement with your laundry and your mechanicals. This one's going to be pretty ideal for storage, but probably isn't going to be your second living room. And then no house is really complete without a backyard, which this one has. It is a concrete jungle, but it does the job. Whether you're looking to buy for yourself or as an investment property, send me an email and I'll get you into this home and properties just like it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap that bell for notifications. That way, you're notified the next time I put out a video. This has been Naveed Aberg with Navigator Realty Group, signing out.